Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the August 2026 bargain bead box to open up with you all today. I have a coupon code for the bargain bead box. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So it looks like the theme this time is Saguaro Sunset. Not gonna lie, I had to look that word up to see how to pronounce it because I've never heard that word before. But I think it's Saguaro Sunset. We're heading southwest with an earthy palette of red, turquoise, purple, and more. This month's star gemstone is jasper, with a variety of pendants and gemstone beads, along with accents of Alaskan agate and riverstone, porcelain focals, sparkling crystals, and a collection of copper-finished beads, pendants, and findings complete the collection. And under here is your 30% off coupon. If you're a subscriber to the Bargain Bead Box, you get a 30% off coupon to use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. And you can use it as many times as you want to during the month. They already have great prices. I used to shop on Bead Box Bargains way before I was ever a subscriber. I don't know what took me so long to be a subscriber. I mean, I have been for years and years, but for a while I just bought stuff from Bead Box Bargains because their prices are so great. And this is a list of everything that's in the box. Estimated retail value for the shipment is $90.79. This is a really great value box. So I'm going to dump it out here and take a little peek. Those are the beads in there, some pretty copper findings. It's really neat. So hold on, I'll sort everything out. I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. First is a 34 by 23 millimeter red jasper and brass teardrop pendant in antique copper. This is really pretty. That's the back. Got the little bell on top of it there. Really pretty. And then next are two 24 by 18 millimeter red jasper teardrop pendants. They're really pretty. Got the hole in the top there. And then next are four 14 by 9.5 millimeter red jasper teardrop beads. They've got the hole through it there like that. They're really pretty. I like that one with the stripe through it. And then next is a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter red rainbow jasper round beads. They're really pretty. It's a long strand too. Really good shape. Holes are not rough or anything. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 4 by 2.5 millimeter red jasper faceted Hishi beads. It's really pretty. A little bit sparkly with the facets. And next is a 14.5 strand of 3 to 3.5 millimeter Alaskan agate micro faceted round beads. They're really pretty little tiny beads. All those different colors. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 6mm red rainbow jasper matte round beads. We have some matte to go with the shiny. Really pretty. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 6mm sea sediment jasper man-made beads in orchid. They're really, really pretty. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 5.5mm crystal English cut beads in turquoise green AB. Those are just beautiful. So sparkly. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 7 by 4.5mm crystal faceted rectangle beads in dark coral red. Really, really pretty. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of 8mm Riverstone / fossil jasper round beads. Those are really pretty. Next is a 58 by 33mm porcelain cactus bead in ivory with brown wash. That's really neat. Different. It's got the hole going through there like that. I don't believe my pen will go all the way through it, but it's really neat. And then next is a 20-gram mix of 6 by 3mm glass rondelle beads in sunset skies. That's neat. There's all kinds of pretty colors in there. It's really, really neat. And then next is a 23 to 27mm hand-painted porcelain cylinder bead in Southwest Nights. It's really neat. All goes through there like that. It's really cool. And then next are 4 pieces, 37 to 46mm cactus teardrop pendant set, antique copper patina. So there's these with the cutout cactus there. That's what the back looks like. And then there's these. That's what the back of those look like. Those are really neat. All kinds of pretty pendants in this box. Next are 4 25 by 22 millimeter teardrop chandeliers in antique copper. These are really, really pretty. That's what the back looks like. They're really, really pretty. Try to get them all up in here in my hand, but I'm sure I'll drop them. I was right. So really neat. Next are 6 pieces, 27 by 17 millimeter textured teardrop links in antique copper. These are really cool. Definitely not going to try to get all 6 of these in my hand, because I'll for sure drop them. But they're the same on both sides. These are really, really cool. And then next are 30 pieces 6 millimeter detailed bicone spacers in antique copper. These are really pretty. There we go. Oops, I need to focus. These are really, really pretty. And then next are 30 pieces of 7 millimeter bead caps in antique copper. Well, they're really pretty. What the inside looks like. And then next are 3 24 by 11 millimeter hook and eye clasps in antique copper. Those are really neat. And then last is some 4 by 3 millimeter textured oval chain in antique copper. That's some pretty chain. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the August 2026 bargain bead box called Saguaro Sunset. All kinds of beautiful beads and findings to play with. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the bargain bead box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.